Okay, guys, here it comes. Oh my god, look at the size of this thing.
Put in the middle. If you can, then push.
First bite. Oh, this is a fried one.
She shot me, bang bang, she shot me, bang bang, she shot me,
Okay, let's go. It's giving birth to a mini bird.
she shot me, bang bang. There she goes again, the dope is Ethiopian. In other words, she came through exploding in the podium, dynamite, Napoleon, like sodium mixed with petroleum, slowly but surely. She was walking toward me, cut the convo short 'cause she had to wake up early. But continuing the story, don't worry, she gave me digits for her BlackBerry. A very handsome is what she said, and the way she looked in my eyes said, put me to bed. Oh my, I should've known what she said to me on the phone. You do not know me very well, but I would never hurt a fly. Then she aimed for my chest with love in her eyes. Then she aimed for my chest with love in her eyes.